You are the prime partner with the NDA and current government. So, what's your view on upcoming Bihar election, and are you going to campaign to support the NDA alliance?
Now, in India, very interesting things are going on. Our Honorable Prime Minister, from 2000 onwards, is in politics. He is always winning the elections. All elections he is winning. He was first time Chief Minister of Gujarat. From 2014, 11 years he was Prime Minister. Now another 4 years he will be there. This decade belongs to Narendra Modi. And also, when this decade belongs to Narendra Modi ji, then automatically it belongs to Indians. That is how things are happening. Even election Bihar, I am totally confident NDA will win. It is going to happen.
So, are you going to campaign to Nitish Kumar to support him?
We will work it.
You will be there?
NDA, whenever they tell me, I am prepared to go and work with them.
You are ready to go
Yeah.
and campaign for
Yes,
the NDA
NDA.
alliance. Very nice. So, with NDA alliance, how you will evaluate your 1 year governance with Andhra Pradesh?
No, not only Andhra Pradesh government, at national level also. Double engine sarkar, wherever we are having additional benefit. In Andhra Pradesh, I was able to implement Super 6 for the last 1 year, all welfare programs. Really, it is a super hit. Recently, Government of India has introduced Super GST. It leads to super savings. This is a Deepavali and Dasara gift. Every consumer is happy. Every MSME producer and businessman, they are also happy. It is a win-win situation for everybody. Less taxation, more advantage. That is how things are happening. Always, NDA government is a progressive government. They are bringing so many reforms for the benefit of the common man. How to empower common man is the criteria. That is how we are working. One side, welfare. Another side, development. Ultimately, empowerment of every citizen. That is the exercise we are doing. Very good results are coming. In future, I don't have any doubt, India will have very bright future.
What are the key objectives for this visit in Dubai, and what outcomes you are expecting from it?
So from the beginning, I am promoting my country and my state particularly. If you go and meet people, network with them, what is happening all over the world, you must have an idea. One example I am giving you. Around mid-90s, internet revolution has come. At that time, first time, as a politician, I met Bill Gates. Everybody thought, why we are meeting Bill Gates? That is the vision I had at the time, that has transformed totally Indian community and also Telugu community. Today, if you see, because of information technology revolution all over the world, Indians are doing extremely well. Among Indians, 1/3 are from Telugu community. If you go to any country now, Indians are there. And also highest per capita income earners are Indians. Only one decision, that is promoting information technology. It is a backbone for knowledge economy.
So, what kind of investment you are seeking from UAE-based or global investors, and did you get any commitment during this visit?
No, from the beginning, for the last 3 decades, I am coming to Dubai and UAE. When I started Hyderabad, Dubai also, already they are in the field, but they are doing their best. From then onwards, I am seeing Dubai is moving very fast. Same way, I laid a very strong foundation in Hyderabad. Today in India, Hyderabad is the best livable city, highest per capita income compared to other states. That is where I got so many experiences and worked together, and also first flight has come from Dubai to Hyderabad by Emirates. Earlier there is no connectivity. Now they are enlarged so many cities, they are going all out, they are doing extremely well. This visit, I met all ministers, policymakers, and also so many family business people and also government business companies. Chairman, CEO, Emirates Airlines, I met him, His Highness, and also Minister of Economy and Tourism, I met him. Minister of Foreign Trade, all three ministers I met, everybody, two ministers, one Emirates chairman. With all exposure for the last 3 days, I am totally confident. This visit is mainly to invite everybody to come to Partnership Summit in Visakhapatnam. It is going to conduct next month, 14th and 15th. That is where I came here. My mission is successful. All people are showing so much of interest towards India. Hyderabad is a new state, new opportunities. I am confident people will invest in Andhra Pradesh.
So what are the major projects where NRIs and foreign investors can plug in, and how Andhra government is going to support them?
No, India is very strong now. One is green energy.
Right.
We are very strong in solar, wind, pumped storage. Finally, it is going to lead green energy, green hydrogen, green nitrogen. This is the area where everybody is showing so much of interest. Number two, we are very strong in agriculture, horticulture in Rayalaseema, aquaculture in Andhra. I explained to all investors, they are showing so much of interest. Dubai is a center for global markets. It is a hub for global markets. India, we are having strength of all food in a big way. India will supply food for the global community through Dubai as a hub. That is second angle. Logistics. India is very strong. We have to develop logistics. As on today, we are spending 14% on logistics cost. How to reduce it? How to integrate inland waterways, a rail cargo, sea cargo, air cargo, road cargo, how to reduce the cost of container port, everything we are working now. That is another area. And also abundant opportunities in Amaravati. It is a new capital, future capital. It is a green city, blue city, full of water, full of dynamism, and also green energy, green buildings, and ultimately electrical vehicles. Everything will be planned city. That is another biggest advantage. You are seeing now Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Singapore, so many cities you are seeing. Hyderabad is a brownfield city. There were 2 cities, I added 1 more city. Amaravati is a greenfield city. Very, very well planned. We are going to execute meticulously. That will be the model for future. That is how so much of investment we are going to attract.
Sir, when foreign investor comes to India, ease of doing business is the most important. They are always looking for less barriers. How your government is ensuring this?
No, from the beginning, if you watch, whenever I was at the helm of affairs, we are always getting number 1 in ease of doing business. Now we are going for speed of doing business. From ease of doing business, we are moving to speed of doing business. Everything single portal, integrated permissions. Once they give application, it is our responsibility to clear it, to clear all the clearances. One example I am giving you. 13 months back, we approached Google to do some business. Then after 2-3 months, what type of activity they can start in India, they used to work with us. Then finally they came back. We will start data center with AI hub, 1 gigawatt. Then they asked me, in India sometimes there is no surety of taxation. After some time we will increase tax. So how you are going to give guarantee? Then I approached the government of India, Honorable Prime Minister, Finance Minister and IT Minister. Everybody agreed. Within 1 year time, 12 months time, we cleared everything. Now they decided to invest 15 billion US dollars in India, in Visakhapatnam. This is the biggest investment after economic reforms. Like that I can say so many examples. Another example I can say Mithal. You want to start biggest steel plant in India. Then he wanted to bring iron ore. It is 1,000 kilometers away from Visakhapatnam. How to bring it to transport, wagons or lorries, trucks, so much of pollution. He gave me an idea. I want to bring through slurry, iron ore through slurry in pipeline. Then immediately, some of people are opposing, they don't know the concept, everything. Then we requested PM. It is environmental friendly and also no pollution and also cost effective. Honorable Prime Minister accepted. He gave instruction to all the department. Within 2 months' time, we are able to clinch it. Now all environment clearances are over. Next month we are going to lay the foundation. This is how not only once they decide to join with us, from then onwards, it is a joint project, government and investor. It is a win-win situation. We are working in this line. Every month, we are having State Investment Promotion Council. My officers will sit, they will scrutinize, they will clear it. Then it will come to SIPB, State Investment Promotion Board. I am the chairman, we will meet and then we will finalize. Then it will go to Cabinet. All these things within 15 days, 3 processes will be completed. Once project is there. That is how speed of doing business we are executing, we are implementing.
I would like to add one thing here. I was seeing the Nara Lokesh portfolio. Very unique term I saw there. The real Ministry of Real-Time Governance, Government of Andhra Pradesh. So what is the real-time governance and how
this is very interesting. Now we are all in an inspiring time. Technology is matured. Artificial intelligence is a reality. Now, if you can see my government, what we are doing, all data, one government, one citizen. Total data of citizen, family, location, where he is staying, everything will be computerized. State government, central government, welfare programs we are integrating. And also we are bringing all personal data also we are bringing in data lake. Historical data, ongoing data. Then we are going in such a way, 42 dynamic parameters real time we are obtaining through satellite. Now satellite is a reality. You can take a map. I can predict the crop, how much it is going to come. I can plan for marketing. I can predict the soil condition, health of the soil. Then I can improve the nutrition. Micronutrients, deficiencies, I can correct. I can go through soil, health of the soil and how to improve further. These are all various angles. Now, drone is a reality. When there is a pest, how to control pest? Through pesticides, spraying through drone with precision. That is another thing. CCTV cameras. Everywhere there is a CCTV camera. Any anti-social element we can identify, we will prevent the crime. Like that, IoTs, sensors, everything. Real time, I will collect data. Real time, I will use AI. Real time, I'm communicating to the last mile again. Now in my government, 750 services are providing through WhatsApp governance. Every common man is using WhatsApp governance. All services, you name anything, even temple darshan, you can book online. RTC ticket, you can book online. Hotel reservation, you can book online. That is how all services, even nativity, date of birth, everything. Even tomorrow, health services, consultancy of doctor will be online. You will book, you will go and then do it. And also we are going to bring global medical knowledge at patient's doorstep. Digital health records. And also knowledge we are bringing globally. And we are empowering everybody, including A&M, last mile. That is how so many things we are integrating. That is where I am telling you, real-time governance.
Great. About Telugu community, they are worldwide, and especially in field of IT, they are the champions. So how your government is planning to connect them and utilize their skills, their connections to develop the state?
Now, as on today, we are having everywhere, all over the world. From the beginning, I am asking them, have IT. 25 years back, I gave a call. One family, at least one IT professional should be there.
One family, one IT professional.
That is where my slogan at that time. Because of that, all parents took interest, they educated in IT. Now, to start with, they started their career in Hyderabad or locally. Then they went all over the world. I used to say from the beginning, don't do job work, go for products. There is money. Ultimately, some people have done that. After that, I gave a message, don't seek job, be a job provider. That means become entrepreneur. Today, I can say proudly, our people are doing extremely well. Highest per capita income. Now I am thinking, I wanted to empower them further. Now we have created government side, non-resident Indians. That is not NRI.
NRI.
Now I am creating non-resident Telugu community. Chapters everywhere. The networking with them. We are training them to become entrepreneurs.
Great.
It is continuous empowerment we will do. One day you are going to see most influential and powerful community will be Telugu community on the planet.
Great.
That is what we are planning.
So you are here majorly to invite the investor for upcoming summit in Visakhapatnam. If you can put some light on that summit.
No, as on today for the last 15 months, we are able to clinch it nearly 10 lakh crores investment. And also 5-6 lakh crores we had MOUs, that also we are working. Now further we want to take it to logical conclusion. That's why we are conducting, last year we conducted partnership summit. This is Government of India and also Government of Andhra Pradesh and CAI, Confederation of Indian Industry. We are working together. This time I want to do not only investment, knowledge sharing. What are all the opportunities available? I am bringing all stakeholders, prospective investors, policymakers, academicians, NGOs, everybody to discuss about it, how to go about with a sustainable development and also how to go with the latest technologies. For example, we are having a space city now. Our government has decided to deregulate space, the satellites in private sector. Now we are creating space city and promoting private investment. Today you are seeing drones. It is very popular. Tomorrow air taxis are going to come. Drone, even wars will be conducted through drones only in future. That is where knowledge. And also civilian applications. So many things drones are going to use it. Carrying medicine, carrying goods, how to control pesticides, how to control mosquitoes, even how to go for patrolling of police. All these things are happening. We are preparing now use cases. Electronics is a big area. That is where we are going to start electronic city. Like this, one by one semiconductor, quantum computing, so many things we are working. All these things I wanted to have a discussion. I want to bring major investors for Andhra Pradesh, and also food industry is the biggest industry in Andhra Pradesh. We are going to become very big supplier of horticulture crops for global community. That is another area, aquaculture. When you go for value addition, then only farmers will have better life, better future. That we are working. Service.
And I'm sure your experience with Hyderabad and Cyberabad
Yes.
will be a
We created that.
value addition in the
9 years.
development.
Now Hyderabad is the most livable city.
Yeah.
Highest per capita income. So that is where I am thinking differently and promoting.